Hello, dear children. I hope all of you are fit and fine. I'm Vrinda Sharma. I'm back here with another poem from Honeycomb, the textbook for Standard 7. The title of today's poem is The Rebel by D. J. Enright. Dear students, do you know what or who is a rebel? And what does he do? Anyways, let us move on to the poem to find out the answers to all our questions. But first of all, about the poet. British poet, critic, novelist, and translator Dennis Joseph Enright was born on March 11, 1920. He was educated at Leamington College and Downing College, Cambridge. He has taught English at universities in Egypt, Japan, Berlin, Thailand, and Singapore. He was awarded the Queen's Gold Medal for Poetry. Many other honors and awards were bestowed on him. D.J. Enright died on January 31, 2002. Next is the theme of the poem. The poem provides an account of the chief features of the personality of a rebel. He could be judged and noticed by his actions. He shows totally opposite traits of what is expected and breaks the general rules and norms. He challenges the society and established system. Though these traits are negative, these people can be productive and socially beneficial. Now the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. The explanation to these two stanzas. A rebel can be noticed by his rebellious traits. For instance, if people decide to have short hair, the rebel would have long hair. And if everyone in the society decides for long hair, he would have short hair as a mark of opposition. When everyone talks during a class, he won't speak a single word. Whereas, when everyone is expected to stay silent, he would disturb all and won't stop talking. His rebellious nature is obvious in dressing up too. If everyone wears a uniform, he would wear fanciful clothes. Although, when everyone dresses up in fantastic clothes for a celebration or party, he would wear a uniform or a very sober dress. A rebel would mark a rebellious difference in a conversation and take it to another level by talking about cats if everyone else talks of dogs. And he would do quite the contrary if everyone talks about cats, as he would proclaim to be a dog lover, just to mark opposition. Next part of the poem. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says, "Yes, please," the rebel says, "No, thank you." When everybody says, "No, thank you," the rebel says, "Yes, please." It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Explanation: the ultimate objective of the rebel is to go against the norms and trends. When everyone praises the sun for its warmth and light, he would rather talk about the necessity of rain. However, when everybody welcomes the rain, he would be sorrowful for the absence of sun. Moreover, he prefers to remain indoors and read a book while others are enjoying in meetings and socializing. On the contrary, he would think of socializing when others prefer to stay indoors reading a book. Similarly, on various other issues, the rebel contradicts others and won't do the things that everyone else would do. He would rather do the contrary. The rebels are not generally appreciated as they do not follow the common norms. Nevertheless, these people can be socially productive and useful. Therefore, it is actually nice to have some rebels amongst us. Although generally people won't think it a good idea of themselves being rebels. Now the exercise. New words first. Words and meanings. Create means produce. Disturbance means interference. Fantastic means fanciful. Sober means sensible. Preference, liking. Greet means to welcome. Regret, to be sorry. Rebel, one who opposes the system and norms. Part B of the exercise, fill in the blanks. A rebel dash if others in the society decide to grow long hair. Will fill prefers short hair. A rebel prefers short hair if others in the society decide to grow long hair. B. A rebel never follows the norms, rather breaks them. C. When everyone welcomes the rain, the rebel is unhappy for the absence of sun. D. While everyone is socializing, the rebel prefers to stay indoors, reading a book. E. This is nice to have rebels in the society. Part C of the exercise, questions and answers. A. If someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? Answer. If a student doesn't wear a uniform to the school, the teacher will rebuke him and ask him to be disciplined and follow the rules. B. When everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? Answer. When everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wishes for clouds and rain. C. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? Answer. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, everyone else is likely to have a cat for a pet. D. Why is it good to have rebels? Answer. It is good to have rebels because they can be productive and useful for the society by adding variety and interest to life. E. Would you like to be a rebel? Why or why not? Answer. If this is a question to you, what you should say? No, I would not like to be a rebel because they are not generally appreciated, rather despised by others. Despise means to hate. Part D. Find in the poem an antonym for each of the following. A. Long. The antonym is short. Grow, cut, lost, found. Sober, fantastic. Quietness, disturbance. Rebel, obedient. Create, destroy. Well, dear children, whatever we do must not be purposeless. It must be deliberate, creative, and productive. If you are going to rebel, do it with a purpose. Just think about it. I'm winding up to see you all again in my next class with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.